Okay. All right. Hi, folks. Another senior moment. I want to do something with my country music signs. These are signs that I've made for country music stars. This particular one, as you can see, I made for Moe Bandy. And I made this back in the, I think in the 80s. I went to a concert that he and Joe Stanley were together at a concert, and they used to tour a little bit together. And so I went to a concert, and when he signed it, he had a red pen, and what he signed on here is almost invisible now. It's been so many years, like 30 years. But I'm going to get out my cheaters and see if I can't read what that says, and I'll write it down and put it on the back. But I can't really say, but it's got something written to me on it. And then Moe Bandy signed it. So this is just one of the, and I don't really remember where the concert was. I think it was in Modesto, California, but I can't remember for sure.
Now, did you do Joe Stampley at the same time?
Yes, I did.
That's kind of what I was thinking. That's what I had remembered.
Right.
Yeah.
So I've got another sign I'll do later on, maybe sometime early next year, with Joe Stampley.
Now, did you get to go backstage where he was?
Oh yeah, I went backstage where the whole band was backstage. It was during a break, and I went backstage, and everybody oohed and awed over the sign. He was very appreciative. Said he really appreciated it. He said maybe one of these days, as I recall, he said one of these days he'd like what about Bendy the Clown?
Yeah.
Which was one of his songs.
Yeah.
And I never did get around to making it. I wish I had now. But
I hear he was a good old boy.
He was a good old boy. He still is. As far as I know, he's still alive. So anyway, I'm going to hang this. I'll get up. You can back up a little bit.
Yep, I can back up.
I'll hang this right over here under Doug Kershaw. And now Moe Bandy's got his place in my shop.
Yeah.
And you can see a lot of the different signs that I've got.
You guys have seen a lot of these before, but never.
Yeah, most of them I've done some sort of a video on them or something. So
Yeah.
It's a great hobby, or it was a great hobby when I was doing it. I used to do it, being a member of the Country Music Association. I got to go backstage at Hee Haw and backstage at the Grand Ole Opry, and I got to mingle with the stars and talk to them. It was that was really a neat part of my life that brings back memories that I like to share whenever I can. So that's it for this time, folks. That's a senior moment. We'll see you on the next one.